Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. So, these are for your general energies, guys. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this gentle energy. So if you are interested, if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, guys, Libras. So let's start with these cards here. We have 10 of earth, 10 of air, 10 of fire. So we have three tens here, guys. A very rare occurrence, I would say. I have never ever got three tens. So you are reaching some kind of completion, some kind of closure, maybe in your work or in your relationship, guys. Something is, you are completing something, maybe. So it may be in your, what to say, in your work situation, some kind of a completion, maybe a project completion, or it may be completion of your duties towards some projects. So whatever you need to do, you have done it, and maybe you're waiting for the results. It may be good or bad results, the outcome of this circumstance. And today, in your situation, in your work situation, maybe, or in your relationship, you may feel that things are going in a particular way, and you have done your best, tried your best, using your skills and talents, using your perseverance, patience in this relationship. So, whatever it is from your side, you have, uh, what to say, made those efforts needed today in your circumstances, and you're waiting, guys, and you're in your work situation, all your hard work and dedication will definitely pay off. So there is a chance of good, lucrative deals or lucrative results coming in your circumstances. And maybe in this relationship, maybe with this person, you are, what to say, going out of the way, trying to be really good to this person, trying to make them understand your true love for them, and you're overcommitted, taking on their burdens on your shoulders. But you should be aware of your place, aware of your position in this relationship. Maybe because this connection, maybe it may be going towards some kind of a negative phase. Here maybe this person may not understand you, they may not understand your emotions, what you truly feel, and maybe for some of you, you don't have that sense of belonging with this person, and you are seeing some unbelievable circumstances unfolding, and you feel it's really toxic to be in this connection without this person realizing your worth, realizing the love you have for them. So it is time for you to give up all expectations, try to avoid the things that are no longer useful to you, avoid those circumstances, or even avoid the people who are no longer useful to you, who no longer deserve you. So, all your hard work, whatever you did for them, maybe they have not seen it, they have not realized your place and they have not realized your love or your worth. So you must be, what to say, feel really grateful that you understood them, you understood about them, at least now, so you can move away from this person. So maybe for some of you, you're in your circumstances, you are just moving away from this relationship and you are changing the way you see these circumstances, guys, Libras. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your relationship. But we have one card, we will see what it is. It's Page of Earth. So with this card, maybe you are feeling really cheerful or confident about something in this connection, and your commitment, your committed nature, you are someone really loyal. So maybe if you have that true love, guys, and if you want this relationship to work, you need to give them space and time to realize your worth. That may help them understand you and that may bring this person back. So if it is true love in your heart, deep down, it is going to work in a magical way for you guys, Libras. So that is what I see, guys, for your relationship. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Ace of Water. So some good opportunity is coming towards you. It may be something using your talents and skill and something which you are really passionate about, guys. Something which you always dreamt about. So it may be a second career path, maybe some creative activity, something that is going to make you feel better today, guys, Libras. So that is the energy with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading, guys, that is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the first card for y'all, for those who chose this card. Red Riding Hood, Rites of Passage. So that is the card here, guys. So in your circumstances, maybe you are trusting someone that you cannot trust. Maybe this person may have some mask, maybe they are hiding their true intentions. They are trying to be really friendly with you, trying to groom you or influence you in some ways, but they are doing that to harm you, guys. So you must have a clarity today, have clarity. Be really aware of the people you are with, maybe whom you should trust and whom you should not trust. So you must be really discerning. That is what this card is about. And you need to remember who you are and what are your capabilities and what are you and what is your life path. And you need to be focused. You should not give in to any distractions coming your way. So you should not be deceived by appearances also, guys, because appearances are deceiving. So you should see your circumstances with your heart, not with your head. That will give you clarity. And you must stay on course, maybe whatever dreams you have for your life. You must stay towards that. Be really focused. You must stay safe. Because right now, your situation, in your circumstances, you are losing focus and you are maybe thinking of something you need not do, maybe giving into some temptations and trusting people whom you should not trust. So you must be really careful, guys. You must stay focused to your goals and the purpose of your life. And in your heart of hearts, deep down, your instincts will tell you what you need to do. You should go for it. You should trust your instincts, and you must always remember who you are, what are your goals, and you must also be aware of your, what to say, of our own nature, guys. Even all of us have goodness and bad qualities, good and bad qualities in us. So we must be really aware of those bad qualities and be really good, try to be good, and try to be that person who is always positive and who is always focused. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to be really careful about whom you trust today. That is the energy with this card. So for those who chose the second card, so that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. So we will keep this card aside. We will see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Soulmates. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So with this card, the energy is that soulmates are people who come to us maybe for a short time or for a long time, but our relationship with them is the reason for some change that happens within us. So soulmates can be friends or family members, but they are your greatest gift, guys, because they are here for a reason. So in a relationship, when we have that deep attraction, that bonding, perfect bonding with this person, love, that love, that overwhelms us in a very positive way, that changes us. The same way, some soulmates, what to say, they cause a strong aversion in us towards them, maybe hatred also. So these relationships, these soulmates just break us down and they help us to realize what we are deep down, what are our uh, characteristics, and it just brings out our true nature. So no matter whether this relationship is a good one or a bad one, you are in presence of a soulmate, and you need to pay attention today, guys, because this person is here to give you a picture of yourself. So you must be really aware of what is happening right now. Be really mindful of your circumstances today. And this relationship is going to give you that emotional and spiritual growth, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you, guys, for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.